Good morning, students. I hope you are writing the practical. So we have completed muscular tissue that comprises of skeletal tissue, smooth muscles or the cardiac muscles. So all the three type of muscles we have completed. Now the last in the animal tissue that we have to observe in the practical lab through the microscope is nervous tissue. So today we will observe the nervous tissue under the microscope. So the aim of the experiment that you will write, and this is the experiment number 8, and the aim of experiment that you will write is to study the nerve cell. Now materials required. Materials required is permanent slide of nerve cell and microscope. Next is the observation that you will observe under the microscope when you will place the permanent slide of the nerve cell under the microscope. So you will observe that the nerve cell comprises of a cell body or cytone. The cell body is also known as the cytone. So don't get confused. What is cytone? So cytone is the cell body of the nerve cell, which is having a single nucleus and comprises of the cytoplasm. As the normal cell is having the cytoplasm, same way this nerve cell is also having a cell body. That cell body is known as the cytone, that comprises of single nucleus and cytoplasm. And from this cytoplasmic, there is the cytoplasmic projection which is called the dendrites, which arises from the cytone. So when I will show you the diagram, you will find that the outer surface of this cell is having a projection that are called the dendrites. Now, a long cytoplasmic projection arises from a cell body which is called the axon. So, one long tail-like structure you will observe, and that is known as the cell body or the axon. That is called the cytoplasmic projection which arises from the cell body is called the axon. Now, this axon is covered by the myelin sheath. So, myelin sheath which covered the axon is not continuous. So you will write that myelin sheath is not continuous and there is the gap along the entire length. So you will find that there is a constriction of this myelin sheath and there you will find the gap, and this each gap is known as the nodes of Ranvier. Now nerve cell help in the conduction of the nerve impulse. So this is the function of the nerve cell, that they help to carry the messages from the different part of the body to the brain and from the brain to the different part of the body. Now the diagram. See here the diagram. The diagram comprises of this part is known as the cytone, cell body, and this hair-like projection is known as the dendrite. This cytone comprises of a single nucleus and this dotted structure is the liquid inside the cell that is known as the cytoplasm. And this is the cell membrane. See here children, the cell membrane is being extended. Hair-like structure is there which is known as the dendrite. Now, this is the long projection that is known as the axon, and this is the terminal end of the axon, and this covering is known as the myelin sheath. See here, this covering is known as the myelin sheath, and here this covering is having the gap. See, this is not a continuous covering. Here the gap is there and this gap is known as the node of Ranvier. So this was the structure of the nerve cell. So you have to write the aim, material required, observation, plus you have to draw the diagram also. And already I have told you in the last class that Tuesday you are having the test. So prepare for the test, that will be in the Google font. So chapter already I have told you, that is the animal tissue. So plant tissue already we have done and the test is being over. So you prepare the plant tissue, and for the half-yearly exam you will have the syllabus cell and the tissue. Cell means the fundamental unit of life and tissue. So children, prepare well. That's all for today. Thank you.